my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be a team lead of the customer service team position with big, well-known retailer Walmart. They're not requiring any previous team lead or supervisory experience, but real quickly, before we dive on in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and as always, if you want to put that application in, the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, we all know Walmart, the huge discount retailer. They're hiring a remote team leader for their contact center customer service. So basically, you're going to be the lead over the customer service team. You're going to encourage your team to do excellent customer service and make sure the customer stores and associates are taken care of. You'll have the ability to assist the customer service agents with any elevated inquiries they have. So when they have those complex or difficult customers, you'll help resolve those. You'll help de-escalate customer or associate concerns. You're also going to be conducting one-on-one meetings with your direct team that reports to you and giving them feedback. You'll monitor their metrics and coach your customer service agents as necessary. Since you are a team lead, you'll also monitor weekly payroll sheets. They are looking for somebody who's a minimum of 1 year in retail or contact center operations, someone who has proficiency in the Microsoft Office suite, and it says they prefer 6 months of supervisory experience, but it is not required. Now it says you can work from home in their approved states, and they do provide 24/7 customer service, so you have to be able to work a variety of different shifts. Now, unfortunately, because pay is going to be dependent on a lot of factors like experience and location, Walmart did not publish the pay in this job description. You'll have to ask them at the time of the interview. I don't work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I'm being helpful to someone. As always, feel free to leave in the comments section anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.